Hello parents, I'm Becky Lieber, a certified teacher and writing coach at Learn to Write Now. We are holding a contest to give one lucky student the gift of better communication, a free semester of our time-tested ELA classes valued at $1,000. Our small group teacher-led instruction delivers proven results by ensuring individualized attention to student needs. For over 15 years, we've focused on delivering the communication skills we believe drive success. Our services target writing, reading comprehension, test prep, and college essay support to equip learners for the future. We would love to help your students reach their potential. You can improve your chances of winning by joining our Facebook group, watching our YouTube videos, following us on Instagram or Twitter, referring friends, or learning more about our services on the website. This is an exciting opportunity to win a semester that could lead to better grades, improved test scores, and effective communication for life. We can't wait to support your student success. Thank you for considering Learn to Write Now.